My experience with gardening started quite a while ago, actually. They repaired a roof leak I had, did a really good job, very professional, showed up on time, went over everything with me, what was going to happen and how they did it, took care of everything. So a few years later, we were experiencing some more leaks, so I had them redo my whole roof. And they did a great job. I was happy with them. Once again, on time, very professional. Cleaned up the mess, didn't even know they were here when they left. So it was time to clean our gutters recently, and we had some moss growing on the roof. And the gutters had some mold or mildew on the outside of them, so I had them come along and take care of the roof, get all cleaned up, ready to go, and coat it so the moss wouldn't grow back again. They found a problem with my chimney, a crack in it. They took pictures and showed me the pictures of what was going on, told me what it would cost to repair it, and I said to go ahead. So they cleaned the roof, they took care of the gutters, and they fixed up my chimney and got it all done. And I saw the pictures when they were done. It looked great. So once again, I'm happy with them, and they're always professional, they're always on time, always courteous, and I would definitely recommend them to my family, and I have recommended them to my family and friends.